Okay, guys. So, in my last two videos, I've been getting hurt, so I've been naming them So Much Pain 1 and 2. So, yeah. I guess I am just not a lucky person. So, let's just hope that nothing else happens to me. And, yeah. So, ow! Did that cause any blood? No. I stepped on a rock. That was a weird noise. Smells funny in here. Well, here. You're evil! Evil, I tell you! Ah! Hey, that's a pair of giant metal bars. Let's see if I can pick it up. Whoa. Yay! Try to pick it up again. Oh. Yeah. Oh, God. Okay. I got it. One more time. Last time. That one was easy. It's just harder to hold it from way down here. Ow. It's not bloody yet. That's a good thing. It's going up there. Da 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 da. Ha. Metal. Well, it's not metal. See? It's hard, but it's not metal. Well, I hurt someone though. Just joking. He tried to murder my foot. Hey, I'm shaking the track. Shake. Ow! My foot! Let's rock and roll. And go. Ow. Should we try that? Okay, do this again. And jump. I really hope that I'm going to be okay after this video. Okay. I think I'm good. stand up. Ow. I already know I'm bleeding. One sec. Okay, I'm back. Still got that, and this is what I hit my head on. How am I alive? Don't ask me. Bam. So, yeah. I guess I'll just, like I said in the last video, it doesn't hurt that bad when I mean, it does at first, but then afterwards it doesn't really hurt. Oh, God. Dang. Imagine you guys doing that. That hurts. Oh, God. Don't you think it looked painful? Say yes. La, 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 la. I hope there's not going to be blood all over my hair. Oh, cool rock. I'm not going to play with that thing. Heck no. This one might hurt me some, but this one's just out of stupidity. I wonder what would happen if I hit my face on this tree. Let's find out. Oh, crazy. Okay, I'm gonna put my iPod like this, like right here by my face, so you guys would see that hopefully you guys can see my face hitting the tree. And go. Okay, that does not, that is, well, now I know what happens when you hit your head on a tree like that. It just brings a lot of pain at first. Yeah. Okay, standing up. And yeah, I know. I'm bleeding. No biggie. Now I don't know where I'm bleeding, but I know I'm bleeding. First place I'm gonna check is my head. Yep. Next place I'm gonna check is my cheek. Nothing. Mouth. Yep. Nose. Yeah. Let's shake it off. Gosh. Well, that was pretty intense, so I'm just gonna go like this. So, yeah, bye. Hi. No, bye. Hi. Bye. Hi. Bye. Bye. Hi. Wait, what? No. Just, never mind. How about you, yourself?